See this? Every one of these references represents a decision, a choice that shapes the credibility of the whole paper. Literature research is how we build knowledge, but it only works if we base it on high-quality sources. If the foundation is weak, everything else can collapse.
How do you know what's actually high quality, though? Literature search today is broken. You jump between Scopus, Web of Science, OpenAlex, and you still don't know which results to trust. None of these platforms tell you whether a paper is published in a ranked journal. You have to check manually. And that's where mistakes happen.
Exactly. Manual checking takes time, breaks your focus, and leaves too much room for human error. That's why we built this tool, a platform that brings everything together and checks quality for you. You enter your search, choose your sources, Scopus, Web of Science, OpenAlex, and set filters before the search. Things like journal rankings from VHB or ABDC, or a minimum number of databases where a paper appears.
Whoa, okay, so all connected. And I can define quality criteria before searching?
Exactly. It's not just convenient, it's deliberate. You define your standards up front, so every result already meets them.
So now the dashboard shows how the search went.
Yep. It tells you how many papers were found, how many are ranked, and from which sources. This gives you instant feedback, and you can adjust right away.
That's great. I usually only realize too late if my search wasn't any good.
Here are the papers, and they've got all the info right there. Abstracts, authors, journal, year, and the ranking already checked and color-coded. No guesswork.
Seriously? Without any manual checking and jumping between tabs? That's incredible. This saves so much time, and I stay focused on, the actual content.
Exactly. You can open the full text directly via DOI, or select it for export to come back to it later. No extra tabs, no interruption in your workflow, and especially no accidental errors.
Love that. But wait, what if I already did a search in Scopus?
You can just upload your file. The tool will read it, check each paper, and add the ranking and quality info, same as in the search results.
So it even improves the work I've already done?
That's it. It fits into your process and strengthens it. No need to do it all over again.
Nice. I'm amazed by how easy this has been to use so far. Can you tell me more about this exporting option?
Sure. You just select the papers, choose what to include, basic info, rankings, source history, set a file name and export. Done.
Honestly, this feels like the first time literature research can actually be reliable.
That's the goal. You focus on your content, while the tool ensures quality stays visible, structured, and trusted.